Good morning, I'm Tracy and Neale from Argo Yachting, Mallorca. This morning we're in the beautiful sunny Cala Dor Marina on the east of the island, and we're here to show you a really unique boat today, which is this Leopard, or in the local terms Leopard, PowerCat 43. It's unique in so many ways. I'm just going to show you around the boat now. Hope you like it. So here we are, I'm at the helm station of this amazing PowerCat 43. Now the unique features of this boat is the fact it can run autonomously. It has solar panels which feed a 30 kilowatt amp battery pack, which in turn drive a completely separate e-propulsion system with separate pods. So basically you have standard Yanmar 320 engines, twin, and then the electric pods which will run the vessel silently up to sort of 8-9 knots for as long as you have some sunshine. If the sun goes down, you've got generator to top that up as well. So effectively, all year round, go anywhere silently and very, very economically. But I'm here in the Flybridge, and again, because it's a catamaran, the width, the beam we have on here is phenomenal. So much space, you could get 10 or 12 people up here comfortably anytime. Starting at the back here, we have the teak-laid fly area with this perma-teak, which feels beautiful on the feet. The wet bar with a Kenyan grill, so as many shrimps as you like on that barbecue. There's a sink, loads of storage and bins under there, and fire extinguisher. Got the Raritan ice maker and a really generous size Vitrofrigo fridge there, and a small freezer ice box on there as well for the kids' ice creams. And while we're here at the back of the Flybridge, you look above, this is what makes this boat so special. These solar panels controlling the battery packs and the independent engines. You can go anywhere you like in this boat silently. Right, I've just come down from this enormous Flybridge down into the cockpit, which is equally as big. As you can see, because it's a catamaran, got this full beam of enormous social space. At the very back there's the davit system, which is electrically operated to lower and raise the tender effortlessly. And what's unique about this tender, same as the rest of the boat, is it has the e-propulsion electric system, which is again charged and takes all its power from the boat itself to give you completely silent boating again. So that was the back. This is the seating area of the cockpit. Again, it's enormous, seating 8-10 people so comfortably, and the stairs to the Flybridge are there. But behind me is the most amazing galley. Follow me. You have this composite work surfaces all the way around, so clean, so comfortable to use. Full-size sink with a pull-out tap. You have the Eno gas oven and grill. You have the Eno 3-ring hob. Whirlpool microwave. Coffee maker there, well and truly stored, so it's not going to go anywhere. You have even the Clarston dishwasher. So it really is a truly livable boat. And from the galley onto the port side, first of all you have a full door access to the bow, but to the left of this is a really useful second helm. So if you're doing night passage or just watch, or the weather's a bit rough outside, it's comfortable, you're sitting in here. You even have the autopilot control there to give you complete control of the vessel from here rather than going up to the Flybridge. Yeah, and just behind here to the right there's a stair access down to the cabin and bathroom. And then you have a huge dining area with this foldable tables that opens up, gives you again 6 or 8 people around here at any time eating. But the beauty of this, it folds, lowers and becomes an extra bed. The upholstery is this beautiful grey soft leather. Incidentally, underneath where I am is the complete battery pack that controls all of the hybrid side of this boat. You can see on the floor as well, actually, I meant to show you, it's got a protection layer, but underneath all this is beautiful laminate floor, but for keeping it clean and protected, we keep this cover on there, so it's still like brand new under there. And back towards the galley, I forgot to show you, you have this incredible Vitrifrigo fridge freezer. Above this is your control station, all your AC panels, the battery system, VHF, and then to the left of that, this Panasonic LED TV, which moves around so you can have that anywhere in the area.
If you haven't done already, please subscribe to our channel and also turn on the notification bell so you get alerted each time we upload any video, not just broker walkthroughs. And if you can like the video, it really helps our channel as well.
What's not to like about this boat? It really is probably the most unique PowerCat 43 on the market. Excuse the building noise, by the way, they're building some apartments behind the marina, so all I can hear is kango hammers. That aside, this is an absolutely amazing boat. Come and see it. Have a look at our website, argoyachting.com. Give us a like. Have a look through the spec on this boat. You'll see 3D tour, you'll see drone footage, you'll see a full walk around of the video, you'll see me. But please, give me a call.